my YouTube channels, and today's my topics collection. So in this collection I am going to discuss about the internal flow and also internal memory management of HashSet. Like that, so many classes I am going to discuss about in this playlist. I already collect and I already discuss about so many things about collection previous video. So first watch it, then we will come and watch this video for internal how HashSet store data duplicate, how can you remove it, how can you do everything, how can you add hash code, how can you override equals methods. And I will also give you one challenging questions in this last of the video. So don't forget to watch it. So let's start now. Suppose we wrote hash dot add Sachin. What is the meaning of this? It means in previous video I already discussed about it, and I already created a one hash set class hash set object, and I am going to add hash hs dot add of Sachin. Okay, no problem, it will add. Now add method will put in the map because simple funda. Why? Because hash map internally created one map object, and it will store in the hierarchy of the map key and value, so that set, yeah, we can say that hash set just does not store the duplicate element. I hope it is clear. Okay, so internally it will going to put map dot put of Sachin comma dummy value. So map will store the data in the key and value pairs. So on the point of the key, Sachin will come in this key value, and dummy anything data will be put here automatically map object. So it's internally doing the JVM. You don't want to worry about it, but you already know map having the two data key and value. Q does not accept the duplicate, but value may be duplicate. No problem, it will handle. Okay, now if the key Sachin is not present in the map, so whenever you are going to create the hash set, internally creating the hash map, then hash map will add Sachin key and value with dummy value and will return null, which is indication of hash set method that key Sachin is not present in the map previously and has been added. Okay, now hash set dot add method checks that if hashmap put method return null, it means supplied data is entered for first time, and add method returns true. I hope it is clear for you. Now I will give you one example how can it do. But if the key is Sachin is already present in the map, then hashmap will return old value. Which value? Old value stored against key and Sachin, key as a Sachin, and which will always be used dummy value because value is always fixed of the hash set. So when hash map returns other than null, then this is indication or add method of hash set that there is already key Sachin present and need to return false. Okay. Import java.util.start public class has set demo. So public static voidman strings args has set equal to new has set. So you can store the data like that. So just you put C, A, B, F, F like that and D. So when you are going to print it, guess what is the answer? It's we already know about HashSet does not maintain the ordered insertion orders. It will store data in any way. You can't expect it also. So your data is the HashSet elements are the D, E, F, A, B, C. I hope it is clear. Now, guess it. What is the answer of these questions? Output. I want output. Import java.utils. Public class has set. Just look at this like that. Oh, has set will store only a string. Yeah, good. Now you just add has set the Amit, Sumit, Amit. Again, it's a string value. So system.out.println has set. So finally, has set does not store the duplicate. So it's not a store. So only output is Amit and Sumit. Okay. Class student, private string name, public student of the strings. This is one of the student class, and this is the main methods. You have to run it and execute and find out the what is the answer of this. If you know about, really you are good in this collection and you know everything. But if you don't mind, if you don't give the answer, it means you have to lots of the practice. You have to do lots of the practice. Then only you can understand the collection. I hope it is clear. So private string name, and you have a one property. You are creating the one constructor also, and then after you are creating one to a string for the displaying of purpose, and just you are creating one HashSet object and a student you can store. You have a three object of the student. Now you are going to add. So every object are added because S1, S2, S3 is the key and Amit, Sumit is a value. So whenever you are going to print, it will print Amit, Sumit and Amit. Again, it's a stored duplicate. Why? Because your object is created. So object address S1, S2, S3 is a key and it is become value. So that's why it will store. I hope it is clear. Okay. Why did duplicates were not removed? Why it's previous examples I will already show you. Why it's a store duplicate? Why not remove? So this is because when you add any object to the hash set, then Java locate it in the internal hash map. You already know when you create a hash set object, internally create the hash map using. So hash code and a hash code of the new object is unique, then create an entry in this hash set and add this object. So that's why it's will added. Now since we have to not override hash code method in a student class, so we got a student object having the same name. Okay, so that's why we can store duplicate. If you override hash code and equals method, then it doesn't store your duplicate object. Okay, now what other methods we should override with hash code? We should override equals method. You learn your on this slide. Okay, programming challenge. I will give you one programming challenge. If you do this, really you are good in Java. And not Java, even if you are also good in collection and you have a good practice and good knowledge in this collection, so I hope you do it. Okay, so next my video is a book store contains a collection of the book where each book has a name, author and price. This book class having a three property name, author and price. Write a program which does the following. क्या करना है तुम्हें? The bookstore want to maintain a unique collection of the book. It doesn't store duplicate. It means it should not accept the book if it is already present. It's not accept the book if it is already present. So retrieval of the book should be an efficient way. I hope this is clear, and if you do this, please comment in video कि I will do this and I will do also, and please share your code in this comment box. I am waiting for you. So let's start now. I hope this is very nice video for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.